Third problem, draw triangle ABC with AB is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to 7 centimeter, and CA is equals to 7 centimeter. Draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Let the circumcenter be O. Measure OA, OB, and OC. So let's start the solution. First of all, we are going to draw the base. AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Now let us take the radius from A, radius 7 centimeter, and draw an arc. We got 7 centimeter. Now from B, let us join this, and this point B we will take it as C. A to C is 7 centimeter, and also BC is also 7 centimeter. Now we need to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB or AC, any two sides. Okay. For drawing perpendicular bisector, we need to take more than half. Here I am changing the color. Now from A, let us join these 2 points. Now let's draw another perpendicular bisector for BC. For that we need to take more than half. Let us see. It's already more than half, so we will take this. Let's join these 2 points. It's clearly visible that these two are meeting at this point. Let us name this point as O. Now let us take O as the center and radius as OA, and let us lock it. And we know that OA, OB, OC will all be equal. Okay, so now we can draw the circle. So we got the required circle. Here the radius OA, OB, and OC approximately we will get as near to 4 centimeter. So it might be 3.8 or 3.9, but we will get near to 4 centimeter. So based on our observation, O is our circumcenter, which is inside this triangle, and it is equidistance from point A, point B, point C, that are nothing but the vertices. So OA, OB, OC, all of them are equal, and their approximate measure OA, OB, OC approximately equals to 4 centimeter.